Morabu Masecho Hashem, Kulam B'chochma Siso, Mola Aharet Kinyonecha. How wonderful are your workings, O God. You made them all with wisdom. The whole world is filled with your possessions. I am fascinated with how God created the human mind and memory, how we can be reminded of things in all kinds of ways. The merest sight, a smell, a taste, and even a sound can evoke the strongest of memories. That's one of the reasons why we blow the shofar during the month of Elul, to remind us that Yom Hadin, the day of judgment, the high holidays, are soon upon us. This year is a year unlike any other. Many of us will not be able to be in the shul. So the purpose of these videos is to give you what I hope are some sounds, maybe a story or two from my own history and background that could maybe invoke a memory, a feeling of the special nature that is the high holidays. When I do a piece of the service and I record it, I will announce a page. I will announce it both for the Birnbaum Machzor, which we use here at Congregation Shower Israel, and also in the Art Scroll Machzor, be it the Rosh Hashanah or the Yom Kippur, depending upon which service the piece is coming from. I hope you find meaning in these recordings. I know that the concept of doing them has given me great meaning, and I hope that you have a wonderful Yontif, and I look forward to seeing as many of you as possible here in the sanctuary. But if COVID, or even the fear of COVID, calls upon you to stay home, do so. We will see each other again in God's fullness of time, and we will smile at each other, and we will laugh, and we will share stories. The Talmud says this of the change of the year at this time: may the old year and its curses end. May the new year and its blessings begin. And so, let's go to the Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur service.